Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Smith, and welcome to today's review. Today, I want to talk to you about a product called FortBite that not only supports overall health but also promotes healthy teeth and gums. So, if you want to know everything about FortBite and you do not want to miss out on the most important pieces of information, stay here in this video until the last minute. The first point I want to bring up in this video is a very important warning regarding where you get FortBite from, because unfortunately, there are people selling FortBite improperly. That is actually a big chance that you will see this product, if you haven't already, in marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and other websites, so be careful because it's really likely that you get a non-original product if you order FortBite from anywhere other than the official website, which is the safest way to buy FortBite. So, to save you the trouble, I have left the link to the official website just below, in the description of this video, in case you want to check it out. Now, let's dive right in and see what FortBite has to offer. FortBite is a remarkable dietary supplement that offers a unique advantage when it comes to dental health. As a dentist, I understand the importance of maintaining strong and healthy teeth and gums, and I have to say, FortBite has caught my attention. One of FortBite's key factors to maintain optimal dental health is its powerful blend of ingredients specifically chosen for their dental benefits. FortBite contains essential vitamins and minerals that are vital for maintaining strong teeth and healthy gums. For instance, it includes vitamin D, which aids in the absorption of calcium, a crucial mineral for maintaining strong tooth enamel. Additionally, FortBite provides adequate levels of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps support gum health and prevents gum diseases. What makes FortBite truly exceptional is its unique formulation. It incorporates additional oral health supporting ingredients such as bentonite clay, kaolin clay, calcium carbonate, natural cinnamon extract, clove and peppermint, and myrrh and ginger, which promote gum health and aids in the natural repair of gum tissue. Users of FortBite have reported improvements in their oral health, including stronger teeth, healthier gums, and a reduced risk of dental problems such as cavities and gum disease. FortBite can be particularly beneficial for individuals dealing with issues like tooth sensitivity, gum inflammation, or a weakened immune system affecting their oral health. As a dental professional, I prioritize safety and effectiveness. I have thoroughly examined FortBite's ingredients and reviewed the scientific evidence supporting its dental benefits. I can confidently say that it is a reliable and effective supplement for maintaining oral health. But keep in mind that in order for FortBite to work correctly, it is important that you use it every day since the treatment needs to be continuous. Simply take a small amount of the powder and apply it to your toothbrush. Then brush your teeth and gums for about 2 minutes. After you're done, rinse your mouth and spit, and you're good. It is recommended that you do this twice daily, once in the morning and once at night. You should also know that FortBite has a 60-day guarantee provided by the manufacturer, meaning that you can test the product for 2 whole months, and if you are not satisfied with the results, you will get a full refund, no questions asked. So, you can test FortBite to feel if it will be as effective for you as it has been for others. It is also worth mentioning that FortBite has no side effects since its formula is 100% natural and its use is super safe. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to use the product correctly and also pay attention to the website where you are going to buy it, since FortBite is only safely marketed on the official website that I have left below this video. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with FortBite, please leave a comment below.